We helped an 8,000 employee retail group based in Spain save 20% on its Microsoft Enterprise agreement, about 1 million over 3 years, while fixing license misallocations and improving frontline productivity. Here's how we did it. Their Microsoft renewal quote didn't reflect how their workforce actually used technology. Hundreds of store employees were on full Microsoft 365 E3 licenses, paying for desktop apps and features they never used. Many only needed email, Teams, and basic collaboration tools. On top of that, we found 300 inactive licenses left over from staff turnover and acquisitions, plus bundles like Yammer and SharePoint that barely anyone in stores used. Microsoft was pushing them toward even more expensive E5 upgrades and enterprise-wide Power BI, none of which matched their real needs. We started with a workforce usage audit. We profiled corporate staff, store managers, and frontline employees separately. Over 600 frontline workers were paying for E3 when F3, a lighter, cheaper license, would meet all their needs. We also reclaimed the 300 inactive licenses immediately. Next, we restructured their agreement. We moved 2,000 frontline employees from E3 or E1 to F3, kept E3 for managers and corporate users, and added E5 or Power BI Pro only for about 100 data and security specialists who truly needed advanced features. For seasonal staff, we set up short-term CSP licenses so they'd only pay during peak periods. Finally, we negotiated with Microsoft to secure a 20% overall discount and built flexibility into the deal. They can flex up or down by 10% of licenses annually to reflect store openings, closings, or staffing changes. The result? Their Microsoft EA dropped by 1 million over 3 years. Every worker has the right tools for their role, and they now use teams and shifts to boost communication and scheduling at no extra cost. If your retail or hospitality business is overpaying for Microsoft licenses, contact Redress Compliance for a free Microsoft EA optimization assessment. We'll help you cut costs, empower your front line, and get the flexible agreement you need.